In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a responsive Framer mobile menu. Let's begin with our navbar frame. What you want to do is first select your navbar frame. You then right-click it, and you'll find an option that says Create Component. You want to click that. Now that we've created your component, we're going to designate our first variant. So go ahead and rename this first variant to Desktop. This will create a clear distinction when we start working on the mobile versions of your menu. Once you've renamed the first variant, look for the Add Variant button. You're going to click that and create a new variant. You then want to rename this new variant to Mobile Open. After you've renamed this variant, go on to resizing it. You want to adjust the width of the Mobile Open variant to match that of a typical mobile screen. I'd recommend values around 390 pixels, but please feel free to adjust this number to better suit your specifications or audience preferences. After setting the size of your Mobile Open variant, duplicate it. After duplicating it, rename this duplicated version to Mobile Closed. Now we delve into designing the Mobile Open state. First, select the Mobile Open variant we've just created. Now, we want to change a few things about your main content stack. You need to change the direction of the stack to vertical. Ensure that your logo plus menu stack is set to fill width. This means that the logo and menu stretch to occupy the entire width of the screen, which optimizes the use of available screen space, especially on smaller mobile screens. Go ahead and make sure your menu button is visibly placed. This improves user navigation by making it clear how they could view the entire menu on their mobile devices. Lastly, change the direction of the Links Plus button stack also to vertical. This allows your links to stack on top of each other, which optimizes space use on your screen and makes navigation much more smooth and convenient for your users. That's it. By following these precise steps, you would have successfully created a responsive mobile menu in Framer. It's a great way to ensure your website or app is accessible and leads to more seamless navigation.